Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research on them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Police. House of Police is another Italian designer brand from Italy. They have a very extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio. They've been around for a very long time, probably about 40 years or so, and majority of the fragrances are okay to good. There are some exceptions that are very good, but majority of them are okay to good, especially in terms of performance. They don't perform that well. Around 3 to 4 hours, maybe 5 hours, majority of them. Again, there are exceptions to the rule. Some of them are very strong, but vast majority of them are weak to moderate in terms of the performance, and that lets them down. But the smell wise, they're quite nice, they're quite good, especially for a price. Vast majority of police perfumes, fragrances, you can find them in United Kingdom under £30, sometimes even cheaper, under £20 if you're Google it, see if it comes up in your country and how much it goes for. But for that price they are quite good. So this one, in line with other videos that I've been making for summer, it's called Fresh Summer, and this is called Police Frozen. So it's a typical box from Police, very simple, but it does a job perfect, which is protecting the bottle. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do much about the noise if it comes up. Come on, please, don't let me down. All right. So this one in the United Kingdom, you can find it under £20, and let's see how it goes. So they are aimed for men, 100 ml, Eau de Toilette, and attention to details is quite nice on the Police boxes and also the bottles. So the only thing it will let them down again from the performance is the atomizers. The atomizers, for some reason, they are very bad. They do the job generally, but they're usually not good. So look at this beautiful bottle, from blue to white, very attractive on the eyes, quite heavy. The cap is plastic, the atomizer is modern, but let's see how it goes. Here we go. Look at this, pathetic. Alright, anyway, so the atomizers are not good as always, but let's see how is the smell. So this is Police Frozen Eau de Toilette, 100 ml. In United Kingdom we can find it under £20. Here we go. First sniff, first impression. As it says, the name Frozen, it's very refreshing. So it's very fresh, it's very bright, it's very happy, and it's beautiful for this time of year, which is in the middle of summer. So it's very summery. Frozen is a quite appropriate name to it, but in the same time it's quite sweet as well. Not overly sweet, but this little bit of sweetness in there. Very fruity. So the fruits, I can smell definitely citruses, so bright citrus, zestiness, a little bit of lemon, little bit of bergamot, and also a little bit of apple smell to it as at the moment. So the fruit's like a green crispy apple. Maybe a little bit of orange in here to give it that zestiness as well. So the zestiness is quite big. So it's orangey, lemony, bergamoty, and also the appley. So it's opened up very bright and happy and fruity, and a little bit of sweetness. Definitely floral in the mid. I smell white floral, maybe a little bit of jasmine, maybe even a little bit of lily of the valley, and also a little bit of spiciness to it. Not much, just a hint of spiciness, mainly a nutmeg, and also a little bit of cinnamon, but not too much, just in a moderate amount. Yeah, I smell cedar and sandalwood combination in the base, quite woody, but again very clean. Little bit of muskiness to it overall, a hint of earthiness, but not too much. So overall it's quite sweet, bright, happy, fresh, fruity, citrusy, white floral, hint of spiciness to making it nuances, to giving it nuances, to making it more interesting, and also woody in the base. It's about muskiness overall. As it says, Frozen is quite refreshing, is very fresh. But I was expecting maybe mint in here, but I can't smell mint. So it's a shame it doesn't have mint, because I was expecting it to be a little bit minty with that name Frozen, to give it a cooling effect. But overall it's very fresh anyway. So fresh, quite masculine, quite easygoing, crowd pleaser, very easygoing DNA in here. It doesn't offend anybody. It's one of those anybody almost universally will be liked. It's quite a nice smell to it overall for under £20. Very good. The only thing is with police fragrances, you have to see the performance. If the performance is anything good, like medium, anything to do with 5 to 6 hours and over, then we'll have a banger on our hand. But usually they go around 3 to 4 hours, maybe 5 hours if you push it. But let's see. I'll let you know in the next video the development, longevity, and the performance, and also if it develops and things like that. But for a first impression, very fresh, very refreshing, very happy fragrance, fruity, citrusy, fruity, white floral, hint of spiciness, musky, woody. So everything you want in a fresh summer fragrance is in here, and it's done quite nice. It's quite balanced, it's quite rounded, and it didn't open like harsh chemical. In the first few seconds it had a little bit of alcohol, but it went away very quickly. For that price point, you expect that under £20 is acceptable. But after that few seconds, it settles very nicely and it smells very good. Yeah, hint of greenness in here, not much, just a hint of greenness to give it another facet. Overall, it's quite pleasing, it's quite nice, it's very crowd pleaser, is doesn't have age. Anybody from 18 to 180 can wear it. In terms of season, definitely for summer is very fresh, so summer fragrance. And in terms of application, it's quite casual, so it's relaxed, casual. Is for every day, is going to gym, going to work, going to supermarket, doing your chores, and things like that. It's very happy and bright and non-offensive, and it's very easygoing character to it. In terms of the sex, although it leans a little bit on the masculine side, but if you're a lady and you like this kind of fragrances, it doesn't mean anything. You can easily wear it. To my nose, it's quite unisex. And in terms of occasion, as I said, it's quite casual, informal, daytime, things like that. Let's see the performance. If the performance is anything good or acceptable, then we'll have a banger on our hand. But for a first impression, for the smell, yes, I'm loving it. Yeah, beautiful smell to it. As always, a police brand, they make good smell, good perfume. Longevity usually is the weakness of them, and also the sprayer, which doesn't matter, because you can go, each of them sprayer went like a quarter of sprayer, so every 4 sprayer you put is like 1 sprayer in a normal sprayer, so you have to bear that in mind. So you have to go a little bit heavy on the trigger, maybe around 20 and plus, and don't forget 20 plus, it makes it like 5, 6, 7 in a normal sprayer. Okay guys, so for the first impression, absolutely yes. The smell is great, smells good, smells balanced, smells fresh, smells summery, smells very nice for the price, and for ingredients for the price is quite good. But we have to wait and see. In the next video I'll let you know the rest of it. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they could be a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfume and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, you could do that. They are out of this world, super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, very bold, very artistic, very unique, very mysterious perfumes. There are 20 of them in my lineup. They're all different from each other, and they're different from anything you smell in the market, because the ingredients all come from my country, Iran, Persia, and that's why they're called the scent of Persia. And they are we've been making perfume oils for more than 5,000 years. So imagine how much experience we have in perfume making. I bring them here, mix them together, come up with these 20 different perfumes, and they are ultra be smooth, very, very strong. And the first thing it hits you is the quality of the perfume. So beautiful quality, highest quality you can get for a price. I'll leave them in the link. If you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that, and I appreciate that very much as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.